Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD Denali featured in sterling metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 6.6 liter V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power sunroof, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, power park brake, heated steering wheel, as well as heated seats. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane change alert, parking sensors, hill descent control, backup camera, a 360-degree camera, a rear view camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows, and powered mirrors that fold in by hitting that there. Some storage and cup holders below, as well as our main Bose speaker. To the left of the driver's seat, we have our power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats with Denali stitched in at the top. We can hop inside. To the left when we get inside here, we have our power park brake, optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, as well as our lighting controls with LED cargo bed lighting. And just above that, we have our heads-up display. We can go ahead and start it up. There in the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls, as well as our hands-free Bluetooth. To the left, we have our adaptive cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. We can move over to our infotainment screen and check out the audio options. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM. We can connect a phone using Bluetooth or with the USB option. We can go ahead and take a look at our navigation here. And there it is, pretty straightforward. Below that we have our dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. And below that we have our lane change alert, parking sensors, our power tailgate, traction control, as well as hill descent control. Here we have some storage with the USB-C and USB plug-in, 2 cup holders, and of course our wireless charger right underneath the center console. We can also check out the backup camera. There's the 360-degree camera, and there's a ton more options for the camera settings here. We can check out all of these here. And here is the center console. We can have a bit of a closer look here. Open this up. USB-C and USB plug-in with a 3-prong storage compartment above, and we can lift this up and have a ton more underneath. We also got a light under there. Here we can take a look at our rear view mirror, and if we flick this, it's going to switch to the camera display. Pretty convenient. Just above there we have the OnStar and SOS, as well as 2 dome lights and our power sunroof controls. If we look right up here, we just got to slide it back, and there's the sunroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, Denali HD badging along the bottom, as well as our running board, chrome mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back. But of course we have a corner step on this side for easy access to the bed here, and rear corner steps on either side of the back as well to access. Here's the exhaust. And to open up the back here, simply all we got to do is double click. It's going to drop down for us. Plenty of space back here, of course. We also have a handle we can lift for easier access. And just underneath, if you push the top button here, that's going to drop down for us. We can push this in, and then we have easy access to the bed. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder below, and here are the seats. Of course, we can lift these up for some extra storage below. You can hop inside here. Behind each seat we have magazine holders. Of course, there's a handle on either side. The back of the center console we have 2 cup holders, our rear heated seats and rear vents, as well as a USB-C and USB plug-in. We got 2 dome lights at the top, and in the middle here we can pull this down to reveal an armrest / cup holder. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD Denali. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.